This is coming up to the end of the final wins now, coming to the spin. I really hope you've liked all these videos I've put together today, especially that massive studs lock. The world's worst studs lock on YouTube. I couldn't get over that. Absolutely amazing. Not seen anything like that before on YouTube. I think I'm the first person to upload a video like that. The water level's dropped quite a bit now. It being such a big load. World's biggest. Will we have the world's biggest water lock next? We'll soon find out. Stay tuned. This has been an extreme roller coaster of a video, I have to say. Bloody hell. I've put in all these videos separate as well, in parts as well, but bloody hell. On this wash cycle, bloody hell. Best one ever. Not seen anything like this one before, bloody hell. I know I'm swearing mildly, but I just could not get over that bloody video. Bloody hell. It's been a bit of a roller coaster of a ride today on this washing machine, bloody hell. Let's see what it does now. I'll probably do another Sudslock now and I'll have to put on another bloody additional wins. Bloody hell. And that looks like a balancer ready for a blow up now, ready to end the bloody day. Bloody hell. It's just gonna blow up. That'd be a nice end to a wash cycle. Big Sudslock. Massive ever Sudslock I've seen. Then blowing up at the end. I hope you like my bloody thumbnail as well. I did that a bit an extreme one. Subscribe to this channel. We're coming to nearly the end of the video now after this rinse. What is it going to do? Is it finished yet? I do not know. We're on a water lock now. Just a bit. Oh, bloody hell. It's been a bit of a roller coaster of a journey on this wash cycle. You're going to tell I'm quite excited after all that entertainment. Watch it blow up now, that'll be a nice end to the day. You ready for it? Are you ready for the bloody Mexican wave now? Bloody hell. This has been one of the most extreme videos I've uploaded to this channel. Definitely subscribe. This has been one of the extreme videos. Although I'll be posting some of these separate, these videos as well, for people to catch up on. But yeah, it's been a bit of a roller coaster ride. Bloody hell. I don't think it could reach its fastest spin then. I think that it just reached about 800. Well, I think that's all my videoing done for the day. Please like and subscribe. This has been one extreme roller coaster of a journey. I know I'm putting this video in parts, but I've got an end screen to this video, so go and check the end screen out. Click that video, you'll see the full wash cycle of this one then. So yeah, because these videos I'm going to put in parts because there's been some excitement. At least can have different chapters then to it. So yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Check out the end screens as well.